USPAP Page 79. Advisory OPHION 7 Discussion of marketing time. In the appraisal report, marketing time occurs after the effective date of the market value opinion, and the marketing time opinion is related to yet apart from the appraisal process. Therefore, it is appropriate for the section of the appraisal report that discusses marketing time and its implications to appear toward the end of the report after the market value conclusion. The request to provide a reasonable marketing time opinion exceeds the normal information required for the appraisal process and should be treated separately from that process. It is also appropriate for the appraiser to discuss the impact of price-value relationships on marketing time and to contrast different potential prices and their associated marketing times within appraiser's market value opinion for the subject property. Applications of silent conditions on an appraisal. Clients concerned with marketing real or personal properties who obtain a market value appraisal as part of their decision-making process should be aware that it may be inappropriate to assume that the value remains stable during 51 the marketing period. Therefore, it is technically incorrect for the user of an appraisal to take a current value opinion, carry it forward to the end of a concluded marketing period, and then discount back to the present. Some clients attempt to solve their problem by ordering a 120-day market value, a 6-month market value, or a 1-year market value from the appraiser. Unless the opinion of reasonable exposure time made by the appraiser in the course of such an assignment coincides with the precondition imposed by the client. The answer to this assignment will not necessarily be market value under a typical definition of the term. In such situations, the appraiser must clearly distinguish between a market value opinion allowing for reasonable exposure time and any alternative, appropriately defined value opinion subject to a special limiting condition resulting from the client-imposed marketing time. Whether or not the appraiser and client define the appraisal problem to include more than one opinion of value, the roles of the parties must be kept clear. The appraiser provides the client with a supported opinion of defined value in an appropriately documented report that includes a section on reasonable marketing time and any inherent price-value implications. The ultimate decision on issues such as what price to ask, when to accept a particular offering price, and how to account for the asset during the interim rests with the client. Summary. An estimate of marketing time is often an assignment condition, but it is not a requirement of USPAP. The appraiser's opinion of marketing time is a forecast of time that begins as of the effective date of the appraisal. Marketing time is different for various types of property and under various market conditions. Marketing time may be expressed as a single point in time or a range. The answer to the question, what is a reasonable forecast of marketing time, should always incorporate the answer to the question, for what kind of property at what price range, rather than appear isolated time period as a statement of when value is predicated on a marketing time that differs from the subject's reasonable exposure time, the resulting value will not necessarily be market value. M. Sori Opinions 2018-2019 Edition E. Appraisal Foundation.